Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to continue with the Arise and Shine mock. Now we're going to study number 14, which says determine the radius and center of a circle whose equation is 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 18x plus 12y minus 9 equals to 0. So the first step in getting the equation of a circle, okay, we already have the equation. Finding the center and radius of a circle is ensuring that the coefficient of x squared and y squared is 1. And we can see we have a common coefficient. So we can divide the equation through by 3 to have x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equals to 0. The next step is taking the constant onto the other side, whereby we shall have x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 4y equals to 3. Then after this, now we complete the square. Okay, before completing the square, remember all the parts of x should be on one side, then y on the other side. So x squared minus 6x. Then when we start with y squared, we will have 4y now equals to 3. So we complete the square for the part of x and also for the part of y. Then the constants we will use to complete the square, we add them to the side with 3. Therefore, this will be x squared minus 6x. Then we add a certain constant. And the constant is gotten by the value of b divided by 2, and we square. So the value of b is negative 6. When we divide negative 6 by 2, we get negative 3. And on squaring it, it becomes a 9. Then plus y squared plus 4y plus, we add another constant, which is going to be the value of b. This is 4 divided by 2. It becomes 2. Then we square. This will take us to 4. So we're going to add on this side the 9 we had added and the 4 we added. Therefore, you realize now this side is going to become 7 plus 9, which is 16. And on this side, we can factorize the difference of, okay, the perfect squares now. X squared minus 6x plus 9 factorized, it will be x minus the square root of this part is 3, then squared, then plus, we factorize also this part, y, because this sign is a plus, plus the square root of this part, which is 2, squared. When we open this part, we will get back to this. When we open this part, we will get back to this, equals to 16. Now we should understand that the general equation of a circle is given by x minus a squared y minus b squared equals to r squared. And we have arranged our equation until it took this format. So it means now we can extract, because at this point a and b are the coordinates of the center, then r is the radius squared. Then we can extract the center coordinates by picking 3, the negative 2, and the radius is going to be, because this is 16, then the square root 4 units. So we have a radius of 4 units and a center of 3, negative 2.